Okay, so just a quick update. So this is the new Laelia Anceps that's come as a replacement. Now, first of all, rather disappointingly, all these roots here that you can see are totally squishy and dead again. However, I'm not going to get too downhearted about it because, as you can see over there, we've got two new roots on the way, and we've got, it seems like, two eyes coming there, two together, and then one on this middle pseudo bulb. A growth's about to come there as well, and there's another root underneath coming there. So at least we've got some signs of new life, and although the spike is long gone, I'll cut that off and we'll get this into some new media, and I'll probably leave these roots on just to kind of anchor it down a little bit, and we'll see how that goes. So that's the replacement that I've been sent, and unfortunately that means that this one has to come off, and that needs to go back in the box that it came in. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button, ding the notification bell, and you won't miss any updates. So stick in the comments what you think about that. Do you think that's a good replacement? It certainly looks better from a shriveled pseudo bulb point of view, and it looks like something is happening and we're going to get some new growth on it. I would have hoped for some, existing roots to be okay, but well, obviously that's the best that they could offer me. So let me know what you think. Okay, just tag this on the end. So I was still on the subject of new plants. Well, there's the box there ready to go back with the old Laeliocattleya. Sorry, the old Laelia Anceps, and just over here, the one of my Cattleyas seems to have developed a very Laelia Anceps-like bloom. I've just cut off the old spike and stuck it in there. Might as well get a couple of days out of it until it wilts. Just don't tell anybody. But while we're on the subject of new plants, over here we have another new one. Now this one has one heck of a mouthful of a name. It's a cross. It's a gorgeous flower. Really pleased with it. Another one from Spice Exotics. It's come this morning. Now this one, much better condition because we have a bloom about to come there, and if we lift it up and have a look, we have, let me see, well, there's definitely some new roots there. We also have, where were they, new growth coming down there. There's a few little bits of new things coming on it, so I'm quite happy with that anyway. The new Laelia Anceps is down there. I've repotted that so that the rhizome isn't actually buried, and I've tried to pin it into position because we've got three new roots there going to do its thing. Hopefully I'm going to do their thing. And I was down at Ed's yesterday just to help him with some computer stuff. I'm not sure we managed to, but we might be a little bit further on with it, and he wouldn't let me come away without anything, so he's given me this. This is a Cymbidium. I couldn't think of the name then. I wanted to say Epidendrum for some reason. Oh, I didn't tell you what this was called, did I? I'll do that first. It is one heck of a mouthful. I've got to grab the label because I'll not remember it. So that is an Epicattleya Volcano Trick crossed with a Laeliocattleya Janet Sparkle. So whatever the name, it's a beautiful blooms. Really, really happy with that. And look at them. They're definitely show-stopping blooms for me anyway. I think they're great. It's a shame they've no fragrance, but you can't have everything. So yeah, I was back to Ed's. So Ed's given me a couple more. This was a back bulb that he got off a Cymbidium, and it must have had dormant eye on it, and he's grown a new growth there. And he also gave me a dendrobium Delicatum. So I need to get that labelled up as well. So it's certainly getting pretty full in here. So yeah, just thought I'd show you those things, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.